So I got something exciting to share. My wife's gonna be leaving the house soon, right? And remember those amplifiers I was telling you about? I'll be able to bridge these amps and test it out and really shake down the world, you know? I now have 2 of them and I need to bridge them. In order to bridge those amps, they make it a little challenging. As part of their difficult process, they make you create a stereo mini cable. Well, I'm doing stereo mini and I'm converting it to the 1/4-inch stereo jack, also known as a TRS connection. You have to turn it into a cross cable. So the tip of one end has to be connected to the ring, the second line of the other. What's important to know is that no cable is made the same. So when you strip the wire, there's 3 wires. This one is, you know, a red, a black, and a white. You don't want to assume that the black is the shield, or AKA ground, common. You want to use a continuity meter and do a continuity test between the tip, the ring, and the shield with each wire so that you know which one it is, because you want to be able to cross, like I said, the tip and the ring. Those have to basically cross, right? I'll update you in a little bit with some boom boom.